Have you heard a bird that sings with the sounds of a chainsaw? This is not a montage. This is real. The lyrebird is an Australian songbird, but its singing is a collection of the strangest sounds. It can imitate phone rings, camera clicks, the cries of other birds, and even the sound of a chainsaw. Everything it hears, it remembers and reproduces with frightening accuracy. Males use this playlist during the mating season to attract a female. The more varied the sounds, the higher the chance of success. Some individuals record dozens of new sounds per season. This is not just a bird. It is a real living dictaphone with the ambitions of Singer of the Year.